Okay guys, just open your dialer application, then tap on three buttons, this one, then select settings. Sorry, my stand collapsed. Okay, then select settings. Then you can see option of Wi-Fi calling. You can simply turn on this function while tapping here. If you need a more advanced feature, just tap on that Wi-Fi calling text. Okay, Wi-Fi calling means you can simply call through the Wi-Fi network. If you don't have a mobile network, that's it guys. You can also turn off this feature from here. Just tap on that green button, then you can easily turn off this feature. But this feature is useful. You can see now we are successfully turn off this feature. That's it guys. Okay, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch that. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.